So lime, just gonna cut it in half. In Thailand, they'd actually cut it into cheeks. I prefer to do wedges. You can do either or. And I like to be a bit chefy about this and take all the pith off. So I'm just cutting off all the white pith from my lime. So I'm left with a wedge that looks like that. And you can keep a big wedge or you can cut it into kind of a smaller, more elegant one like that, okay? Lime wedges. So I'll do the same. I'm just cutting off the pith like so, into half. Do that again. Just making it look more presentable by cutting off the white pith. So there's my lime wedges.